Welcome to your first video for CP Algebra 1. This is variables and expressions, and we are going to talk about some vocab first. Starting with variable, that's the second word I know, but a variable is a letter that represents a number in an expression. So variable, something like X, you can use Y, you can use A, you could use B, J, whatever you want to use. Those are variables, and they're put in place of a number. An algebraic expression has variables in it. Okay, so something like 2x is an expression, or 3a plus 2b, that's an expression. You also see something like 3x squared. Those are all algebraic expressions. Terms, a term is something like 2x, okay, that's a term. Now, when you have something like, when I wrote up here, 3a plus 2b, that is two terms added together. Okay, but a term is one thing. It could be 4. It could be 10x squared divided by 3. Those are all one term. Okay, factor and product kind of go together. The product is the result when you multiply. And a factor is the two things that you multiply together. Okay, so something like 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 would be the product. 2 and 3 would be your factors. Okay, power, base, exponent. So a power is when you have a base raised to an exponent. A base is like x, okay? The exponent is the squared piece, okay? And that's a power, also called a power. So something like x squared, base is x, exponent is 2. If you have something like 3 to the 4th power, 3 is your base and 4 is your exponent. Okay, now going on to the next page. In your packet you have a page that says put the words in the correct place. I want you to pause the video right now and then go to that page, put the words where they go, and then unpause the video and check your work. Okay, you should be on pause now, checking your work. There you go right there. So, sorry, I'm totally new to this. I can't get this out of the way. Okay, there we go. So add, greater than, more, added to, increased by. Subtract, difference, subtracted from, less than. Multiply, it could be half of something. Half could go over to multiply or divide. You could multiply by 1/2, or you could divide by 2, either one. Product of is multiply. If you double something, you multiply by 2. Multiplied by, obviously, or of. If it says like half of, you're going to multiply by a half. 2/3 of, you're going to multiply by 2/3. Okay. Divide, you could be divided by or a quotient of. Power, you would see squared, cubed, or to the 2nd power. Okay, and that's it for our first video.